This one simple trick could grow your business's revenue by 22% without you spending a dime more on Facebook or Google Ads. Hi, I'm Rick Buchert from Railgun Marketing. Are you aware that your prospects may have differing levels of awareness of your solution or product? It's true, and if you get these levels right, you can tailor your messaging to convert at a higher level, get more revenue, and it won't cost you a dime more in ad spend. Here's what I mean. Let's assume I'm the owner of an auto repair shop. Someone could be completely unaware that there is a problem with their vehicle that they should be bringing to me to look at. For example, if someone is unaware, this could be someone who drives their car every day but doesn't realize there's a potential issue. For example, they might not understand that slight shuddering they feel when they brake is a sign of worn brake pads. A Facebook ad targeting this level of awareness could highlight common signs of vehicle problems that drivers may not be aware of. Now, maybe they are problem aware. This person is aware that there's a problem with their car, but they don't know what the solution is. They've noticed that their brakes don't seem to be working as well as they used to, but they don't know what to do about it. An ad for this level of awareness would highlight the problem such as, is your car shuddering when braking? This is the sign of worn brake pads. Now, maybe they are solution aware. This customer knows that the brake pads are the problem and they need to be replaced, but they don't know who to go for this service. An ad targeting this level of awareness would present my auto shop as the solution with a message like, need to replace your brake pads? Trust our expert service. Now, the next level from there is they are aware of my solution. This person knows they need to have their brake pads replaced and they're aware of my auto repair shop, but they're not sure why they should choose me over any other. An ad for this level of awareness would emphasize what makes my shop stand out, such as why choose us for brake pad replacement? We offer a free inspection, fast service, and a 12-month warranty. And finally, there's the client who is the most aware. This is a customer who knows they need their brake pads replaced and they're already convinced that my auto shop is the best place for the job. They just need that final push to make the appointment. An ad targeting this level of awareness would offer a clear call to action like book an appointment with us today and drive away with peace of mind knowing that your brakes are in top condition. By understanding these levels of awareness and tailoring your ads to each, you can ensure you're reaching every potential customer at every stage of their decision-making process. And remember, if you're unsure how to implement this strategy in your business, I'm here to help. Click the link below and schedule a complimentary 30-minute strategy session. And let's start growing your business by 22% without spending a dime more on advertising. Thanks, and have a wildly profitable day.